our profession comes across genuine ethical dilemmas with much greater frequency than other professions. And attorneys are trained in analysis. So if they have a tool to whittle away the things that are not relevant, so what they're left with is the core of the question, most attorneys can provide good advice on a clear question. They can give a clear answer. What this methodology teaches them is how to get to the clear question. Their legal training already helps them get to the clear answer. My name is Anthony Gray, and I'm the president and CEO of a 501c3, a nonprofit called the Institute for Global Ethics. And the Institute's mission is to promote ethical conduct in a global context. And we do that in two ways: by teaching ethics training and by doing grant-funded ethics research that translates some of the more complex concepts in ethics into simple, actionable steps. The focus today was called Ethics in the Practicing Attorney, and it was to introduce my colleagues in the bar to the methodology that the Institute teaches for sounder ethical decision making. Attorneys are in a unique position in terms of running across ethical dilemmas, many, many more so than many other professions. And so I thought this would be a useful tool in their toolbox. The way we describe it at the Institute is an ethical dilemma is not right versus wrong, when there's a right and wrong answer. We call that a moral temptation, that there's a clear answer, you just may not like it. An ethical dilemma is when there are two or more of your core values held in dynamic tension, and you can only choose one. So there are actually two right answers, but you only get to pick one. And what we do is teach how you arrive at a rational and explainable decision in that circumstance. We go through a process of what I call whittling away. We have three primary lenses through which you might look at that ethical dilemma. The first is called ends-based, what the Greeks would call a teleological perspective. That is often codified by saying you choose an ethical decision by picking the greatest good for the greatest number. The second is called rules-based, often associated with Immanuel Kant, and that dictates that the only ethical decisions are ones that can be extended to every similarly situated person. And then the third lens is what we call empathy-based, which, for lack of a better term, is considered the golden rule. Put yourself in the other's shoes. I'm an easy guy to find. I'm on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, but the easiest way to get a hold of me is to go to our website. Our website is www.globalethics, one word, globalethics.org. We're a nonprofit. www.globalethics.org, and look around.